Okay, this second video is going to be pretty short because what I'm asking you to do is a little investigation on the attached Desmos file to your homework in Google Classroom. So what we're going to do is we're going to investigate what would happen if you had y equals negative x squared, okay? And what would happen if you had y equals negative x squared? Now you might say, Nelson, you just said that twice, same thing twice. No, this one is the negative is on the outside, like this, okay? And this one is what if the negative was on the inside? All right, you're going to investigate both those situations. You're also going to invest what a horizontal compression is. Now that's going to look like this: y equals b times x squared. Okay, so I'm going to go over. I'm going to show you the Desmos activity, and then you're going to investigate a little bit. Now, before we do that, though, I wonder if you had in your notes that example that we had. We had like over 9, down 3, and so our vertex was over here, and then we had a vertical a vertical stretch. So let's draw our little parabola over here and just kind of remember what it was that we investigated in all of those notes. It was like y equals 3. Shoot, I got to go over and look again. What did we have? We had it was 3. Oh, it was down 5. Okay, there, I'm going to fix that. So it was 3 times x minus 9. Minus 9 is going to move it 9 to the right, and then it was minus 5 to move it down 5. So let me change this 3 over here to a 5, right? So it's down 5, and then it had a vertical stretch of 3. So I hope you added that to your notes. Like as you watch the video, you put your own things down, right? Down here, here's what we're going to investigate. What would happen if we put a negative in front of that 3? Okay, you're going to do that. You're going to put a negative right here and see what happens. Okay, I don't really want you to put the negative up here because, well, I mean, that would show you something. I'll put the negative in here real quick. Like look, the parabola instead of going up is going down, right? But here's the thing here: if you put the negative in here, you're not going to see any difference, right? You didn't see anything happen there. Why is that? Well, because when you have just negative x squared, you're not going to see anything. But if you do it to this one right here, I'll go ahead and do it. I would want you to first put parentheses around the x minus 9 part. Before you do that, shoot, do I have too many parentheses down? Yeah. And so then put a minus right here. Boom. Ooh, nothing happens, does it? Okay, now let's get rid of these parentheses and put a minus right here. What happens then? Now, wait a minute, where'd it go? It's gone, right? So let's move the screen. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So let me get rid of the negative. And, okay, it was over there. Now it's over there. What is happening? Huh. So one way that you can think about this is it's getting reflected over the y-axis. So that's a reflection over the y-axis. If you put the negative out front, it's a reflection over the x-axis, okay? So, oops, I got rid of my equal sign. So these are reflections, all right? Reflections. If we put a negative in front, it reflects it over the x-axis. If I put a negative inside, it reflects it over the y-axis. So you're going to investigate that a little bit, and then you're also going to investigate what happens when you put a different number inside. Like if I put a 3 right here, what happens to the parabola, right? Or if I put like a 2 here, what happened to my parabola over there? Look at that. That's kind of interesting. Huh, it seems like it moves, doesn't it? It seems like it kind of moves closer to the y-axis. So that's what you're going to do, and you're going to try to answer the questions like the last 9 questions or 10 questions using this Desmos file that I saved for you. Okay? Hey, good luck on the homework. The last problems, you're using Desmos to try to figure out what these final 2 pieces of information are in transformations. Okay. Thanks everybody for watching.